What are we doing today, ladies?
Skydiving!
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers.
Yes.
You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yes.
Do you trust this guy to throw you out of an airplane?
Apparently.
You guys are both crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong. Happy birthday. Is it today?
No, the 22nd.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
Fuck yeah, we did this.
What about you?
I love my life.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, and phone. Please burn all that stuff, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock the sky and have some fun. High five. Here we go. Oh, yeah. You ready for this?
Fuck yeah!
You're crazy. Let's get in this thing. Let's get up. Let's go rock a skydive. Have some fun.
Fuck yeah.
High five. High five. High five. Back around. Yeah.
You're flying a parachute. How does it feel?
It's amazing and it's so pretty.
I've been up here thousands of times, never gets old. This is my office. Hey, that's the best.
Good 9 to 5.
Take those. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, let's see what this
We did. We made it. I think I'm still processing it, but it was amazing.
Yeah, that's true. You'll be processing it the rest of the day.
Maybe my life. Yeah, I had so much fun.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Well, that's how every one of us got.
I'm got.
You're the reason I got to skydive today, so thank you so much for
Yay.
jumping with us at Skydive Colorado
Heck yeah.
Springs. Don't make it a one-time thing. Come see Sky.
Definitely.